Today, I'll walk you through how to set up a Snapchat passkey even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to secure your Snapchat account with a passkey so you can enjoy a safer social media experience. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device. If you're not familiar with the layout, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. This can happen with updates. Once you're on the camera page, look for your Bitmoji icon in the top left corner. Click on it to open your profile. This is your personal space where you can manage your settings and preferences. Next, click on the Settings gear icon, usually found in the top right corner of your profile. This will take you to the Settings menu where you can customize various aspects of your Snapchat experience. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Additional Services. Here you will see an option for passkeys. Click on that to proceed. At this point, you'll be prompted to add a passkey. This is an important step for enhancing your account security. After clicking on Add Passkey, you will need to verify your phone lock. This is similar to securing your front door before leaving the house. It's an essential step to keep your account safe. You will then be presented with several options for your passkey: fingerprint, Face ID, PIN, or a combination of PIN and pattern. Choose the one that suits you best. Keep in mind that the features offered may depend on the type of mobile device you are using, so your options might look a little different. Once you've made your selection, click on Add Passkey to finalize the setup. Congratulations! You've successfully set up a Snapchat passkey, adding an extra layer of security to your account. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.